Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my Boxycharm Premium unboxing. I can't wait to jump in, but we'll get into that in just a second. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do unboxings, try-ons, reviews, and I would love for you to join the family. So please click the subscribe button. Without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump right into the premium box for January for Boxycharm. And so the theme is exactly the same as the theme for the base box, of course. It is Fresh Start, again, which we are all looking for in 2021. And we're going to go ahead and jump right in. So the first thing that I see is the this is the PMD Beauty Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. So it removes your makeup. The silver actually is antibacterial, and they say anti-aging, which I guess I didn't realize, although colloidal silver does do a lot. But I do like the antibacterial idea of it. The silver is woven in. Machine wash as needed. So you can just throw it right in the washing machine. I love the size of it, and it is really soft. It doesn't smell like anything either. Very cool. Very similar to Face Halo or Makeup Eraser, but with that added benefit of silver, which I really like. Retail value on this is $30. Ooh, that's a little pensive for a washcloth. Next product that I have here is Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color. Creamy eyeshadow that lasts 12 hours and is crease and transfer resistant, $29. I actually have been dying to get one of these. I hear tons of people rave about the caviar sticks. I know e.l.f. came out with some that are similar, but still waiting to hear how they're doing. The color that I got is that camel color right there, and so we'll just kind of draw it on. Very similar to my skin color, but would be a beautiful base for eyeshadow. So I do really like that. And basically you just put it on and you'll blend it out. And then if you wanted to leave it just like this, you could. You could certainly add eye colors over it, but the idea is that it lasts all day and doesn't crease, which I love because I do tend to get creasing in my eyes sometimes. My little hooded eyes a little bit there. So excited about that. If I like this, that'll encourage me to get some more colors. So we'll see how that goes. The next product that I have is as I hold it upside down, a skincare product. This is the Lashes MD Eyelash Growth Serum. It can be used for brows as well. It is a conditioning, nourishing formula specifically designated or designed to help eyelash growth and support strong lashes. Apply once a day. $69.95. I do have one by Manicatar. I do have one by another one that I got in a box before. So this is the Lashes MD. I'll have to look up some reviews and see what I think about this. It basically says avoid getting fluid in your eyes. Rinse immediately if you get it in. That makes me a little nervous. Okay, well, I'll try it. I'm always up for longer lashes. It is interesting that you can use it for your brows too. So if you want to kind of grow a certain area of your brows, I've heard people using a conditioning or kind of a nourishing thing like this to help encourage the hair growth. Certainly not a bad thing. Not a bad thing. Next thing I see in here is the Tarte Maracuja Mist. So this is the Miracle Mist Setting Spray. It is an ultrafine continuous vegan superfruit setting mist. It sets for 12 hours, natural radiant finish. $23. Wow, that almost didn't come out. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, it doesn't smell like anything. Let's see. Oh, that mist, though. That is beautiful. I know I just got up too close and got out of focus. I don't know if it makes you look radiant per se, but that is a beautiful mist. It is very light. It does spray big, though, So it will get all over clothes and hair and everything else, but it's kind of nice. I kind of like that. Okay. Okay, Tarte, there you go. Next thing is a little bit of a controversial product. This is the Summer Friday Jet Lag Mask. And so let me read about it first. This is a used as a nightly mask, daytime moisturizer, or in-flight lifesaver. This multitasker's nourishing vitamins, ceramides, and antioxidants leave skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. $48. Although I did recently get an email literally like 2 or 3 days ago from Boxycharm, but from Summer Friday, so Summer Friday via Boxycharm, that said that there have been quite a few people who have actually gotten some allergic reactions and their skin has turned red and reacted to this mask. So they did recommend patch testing somewhere before you put it on your whole face so that you don't have an allergic reaction all over. That makes me super nervous with this product if we have so many people having a reaction that they actually have to send out an email about it and say, hey ho, hold up before you use it. I'm not a big fan of that. And I probably won't use this because of that. You shouldn't have to send out an email to say, hey wait, don't use my product. But you should patch test all skincare, and that is true. You should patch test all skincare just in case. You never know how your skin is going to react to it. I do understand that. And then, literally, again, very little makeup in my box. So this, my Laura Mercier, and then this next product is the only real makeup that I got. Everything else was kind of skincare. I guess the setting spray is makeup too. But I'm super excited about this. This is the Ofra Cosmetics Good To Go Mini Mix Palette. It is a magnetic interchangeable palette. You can kind of switch things around. Retail value $39. In it, though, is a beautiful mix of different items. So you have a highlighter that has 4 different colors kind of all around, so you can focus on one color or mix them all together. Blush, bronzer, eyeshadows. Super excited about this. So I am just going to kind of swatch the highlighter right here, and I'm just going to go around and swatch it. Look at that. My arm is stained, sorry, from some eyeshadow patches before. Here, let's do it justice. Let's put it on an arm that doesn't have anything. So look at that. I mean, gorgeous. You can see that forever. I love it. I love it. I love the color of it. Let's go ahead and do this blush right here and see what it looks like. Oh, that's a satin blush. I was thinking it was a matte blush. Bronzer next here. Very light, not bad at all. And I'm dying to swatch this teal color right here. We're swatching that. That's the eyeshadow. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. So super excited about this palette. I do also like that it is interchangeable. So these pans, there's a little spot right at the edge that has a little divot where you can pull them out and put in a different one, or put this into like a Z palette or a different kind of palette that you already have. Love it, love it, love it. Definitely my favorite part of this box. Again, they have these crazy numbers now for the variations. So I got variation C21010202-PM. I liked when they had like variation 20. Anyways, I did like the products that I got. I do think we're skincare heavy this month, both for premium and for base box. So excited to test the products out. Is there something that you guys got that you're dying to try? Drop me a line and let me know. Thank you so much for joining me today. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.